Hi, I'm Dr. Miner. Today I'm here with one of our patients, Jeff.
Hello.
And we just finished an implant for Jeff. And tell us, how did that go for you?
It's a little bit scary at first, knowing that something's going to be drilled into your jaw, and overall this has been the best dental experience I've had. The visits were short. There was no real pain ever before or after or during the procedure, and it went, I just couldn't have imagined it going any better than it did.
Well, great. Yeah, so Jeff had a bad tooth. We ended up having to take that out. We had to bone graft and then let that heal for a time. And then we came back and put the implant in and let that heal for a time. And today we finally put the crown on, and so it's finished. And what do you think of the crown?
I think it's great. It feels perfect, and it's nice to have a tooth back in that where that hole is.
Yeah. Does it feel like a tooth?
It does.
All right. Cool. Thanks.